What is it?
Duck.
Duck. Okay.
At. H-A-T. Hat. B. O. Hat. Household.
Yeah, X.
X.
Do you know what word that is?
What?
Box.
Bounce.
Uh-huh.
Fox. F. O. Out. Out.
That's a jar.
Sow.
Jar.
Sow. Chow. Stay. A. Ow. Chow. Teacup. C. E. P.
Very good. What is that?
P.
What's that a picture of?
Cup.
Cup. Very good.
Sack. Bobo. Bobo. My favorite girl. Bobo. Bobo had Pete.
How do you spell sock?
Hat. Yeah. Hat. O. C. K. Sack. Cane. K. Hey, I don't know cane. That was a K.
Yeah.
Cane. I had that was K.
Very good.
K. I. And T. I'll go to rain.
That's a ring.
I write.
Yeah.
Rain. Say. How? How?
That's an R.
Okay. How? I. Am. T.
Yes, that's a G. Very good.
P. B. O. A. T.
What does that spell?
Boat.
Very good.
Vamos to go. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. See. What's that?
What is that? What do you think it is?
H. H-E-N. Duck. I'm done.
Very good. Do you know what H-E-N spells? Hen.
Hen?
Yeah.
But how
yep.
duck?
I know, it looks like a duck. Yep, it looks like a duck, but it's a hen. It's a chicken.
I'm not a chicken. I'm a ducky.
It's a ducky?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What is your favorite letter?
H.
H? Why?
Because I like H.